इसके पहले वाली वीडियो में आप लोगों को भाइयों जो है एक्सप्लेन विद रेफरेंस टू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट बताया। और अब आते हैं बी पर। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। नंबर ऑफ गिव द सेंट्रल आइडिया ऑफ द पोएम कैरेक्टर ऑफ ए हैप्पी लाइफ। सेंट्रल आइडिया का मतलब केंद्रीय विचार या मुख्य बातें या सार संक्षेप। तो इसका सेंट्रल आइडिया में हियर द पोएट सर हेनरी वुटर डिस्क्राइब द क्वालिटी ऑफ ए character of a happy life. A man who is happy from his birth or teaching or learning. He is not a slave of another's will. He does not accept of another's will. And honest thought is only his protection. And simple truth is only his skill. He does not govern by his strong emotion. His soul, his conscience is always ready for death. He is free from the worldly care. Whether some people criticize him or like him, his life is rumor free. He does not take care of the false news about related to himself. His soul is only his strong shelter. His life is flatterless. He does never regret over his ruin, over his decaying. He has no feeling of envy whether somebody progress in his life. He does not like vice or evil about somebody. He never feels the deepest one which is given by admiration or praise. The position never rules over himself. He has only the goodness of these things. He always prayed to the God, early or late. He never expect to the gift of God, but he likes to the grace of God. He amuses his harmless day by a well-chosen book or a good friend. This type of man is free from the slavery foundation. This feeling of rise or decline, it means progress in life or go back in life. His Lord, his God, his master, owner of himself. He has nothing, but he has not the lands, and he has nothing, but he has all. Because he totally contented, he is carefree, he is worryless. अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड। पॉइंट आउट सम ऑफ द क्वालिटीज दैट मेक ए मैन हैप्पी। तो हैप्पी मैन की क्वालिटी के बारे में पूछा है। इसके अंतर्गत हम वी कैन राइट सिंपल ट्रूथ, ऑनेस्टी, पैशनलेस, लवलेस एंड criticismless. These are the main quality that make a man happy. Question number 3. Name the figure of speech used in this lines given below. Lord of himself, though not of length, and having nothing he hath. In both lines we find the oxymoron figure of speech, because both the line contain opposite ideas. Number 4. Explain the meaning of whose passions not his master. It means that the life of a happy man is free from strong emotion. Strong emotion or ambition are not governed over himself. These things are very far from him. Question number 5. What is the theme of the poem? The theme of the poem is the character of a happy life, truth, honesty, contentment is the keynote of the theme of this poem. Question number 6. Give the appraisal of the poem. इस कविता का मूल्यांकन कीजिए। आंसर में लिखेंगे दिस इज ए डिडक्टिक पोएम which greatly appeals to the people that the character of a happy life is free from remorse, damnation, and he is totally contented, and contentment perhaps is the greatest happiness, and such type of people has no care and worries of life, whether by declension or rise or fall in life. He has nothing but he has all because he is totally contented. अब आते हैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. फाइंड आउट द लाइन्स इन विच फिगर ऑफ स्पीच ऑक्सीमोरन इज यूज। उन लाइनों के बारे में पता लगाइए जिनमें जो है विरोधाभास अलंकार का प्रयोग किया गया। सो आंसर में आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस पोएम वी फाइंड इन लास्ट स्टैंजा ऑफ दिस पोएम द लास्ट 2 लाइन ऑफ दिस स्टैंजा कंटेन द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच ऑक्सीमोरन बिकॉज Lord of himself, though not of lands, and having nothing he hath all. Because both these lines have the opposite ideas, and in oxymoron, when two opposite ideas are used against each, there is oxymoron figure of speech. Okay, thank you, जय हिंद। अगर आपको पसंद है एक लाइक जरूर कर दीजिए।